Hello everybody, this is REW from REW JDM.com. I'm going to be showing you a little tutorial on how to navigate our website. So let's go to REWJDM.com. And if you're not a member yet, you'll go here to sign up. You scroll down, join now. Then you could sign up either with a Google account or a Facebook account. So I'm going to use the Google account. Alright, so first of all, let me show you our shipping fees or rates. So we go to here to account, go to shipping fee, and here's our shipping prices. Everything's flat rate, as you could see. So if you don't see an item listed, it would count under small miscellaneous, medium miscellaneous, or large miscellaneous. Alright, so let's go back. Now to bid on Yahoo, so you could either go Yahoo auctions or on members. So let's go Yahoo auctions. Both will put you in the same spot. Okay, so this is basically a mirror of Yahoo auctions, right? Everything that's here, it's also on Yahoo. A little tip I like to use here. Go to Yahoo auctions or buy. Also works with buy. So let's look up FD3S. All right. Let's say you wanted to bid on this 99 spec. Well, sorry, Euro bumper 99 spec lookalike. All right, so let's say you wanted to bid on this on my website. So let's put it on Japanese, and then you're gonna copy. You're gonna copy the title. You're gonna copy. Gonna go back to our website, REW. We're gonna paste that. Then we're gonna press enter. There it is. All right, so we'll click on it to bid on it, and then you place the amount you want to bid here. Now remember, always bid the highest amount, because once you bid, you can't rebid. So think of how much you would want to pay for that, your max. You're going to put it here, and then we're going to place bid. It's going to ask you if that's correct. You press OK. Here you write your email and credit card information. Now that amount that you put there is the amount that it's going to be held on your it's going to be charged on your credit card. All right. Now for any reason you don't win it, or you don't win that bid, that money is going to show right here. You go back to your account, right here under account. It's going to show under total balance. All right, so that total balance you could use for rebidding, or you could use for future purchases, or if you just like to cash it out, you'll click here on cash out. All right. Besides that, that's really pretty much it as far as how to navigate it. And the best way is, like I said, use Yahoo, copy the title, and paste it onto our website, because Yahoo is a little bit faster, being that it's not a mirror, it's direct, or buy. All right. So if you have any questions, just feel free to email us at info@rewjdm.com, or through our social media, Instagram or Facebook, REWJDM. All right. Now stay tuned for another tutorial where I'll show you how to navigate Yahoo for a specific item. And then once you find that specific item, you could copy the title, paste it on our website, and bid it. All right, so thank you. REW JDM.com.